Tapos yung TV, naka-switch off na. Nagiga na ako sa couch. So, skelet mo nag-switch on bitaw ng TV, guys. The TV when switch on, yun, maano mo kasi yung pag may mag-switch on kasi mag-blink-blink yung si Frank kaya nagtatawa na may laway tumasik. Hello guys! Good morning! Nag-ano ako sa bottles ni Francis. Sa kusina ako. So, inaano ko lang siya. Tapos tumawag si Frank. May nag-renovate sa labas namin, guys. Renovate nila yung whole building. So, kaya maingay. Complaining that I should not cook. I know you're telling me to cook. What is that?
Contradicting myself.
Yeah.
That's not my case, actually, normally. I'm just so hungry.
Luya kayo. Wala ko
Since
nagluto.
we go anywhere to go shopping. Now the
You're so hungry.
store is even closed.
I'm trying.
I can have the deep frozen pasta.
There's
with,
no pasta.
I bought that.
You bought? Okay, you can have
Pasta
that then.
with spinach.
Then eat that one instead of telling me here that you want me to cook. It's already 11 p.m.
I'm hungry.
What the heck? Sometimes you tell me most of the time I should not cook.
We should not eat much late at night.
Still.
It's just 11 p.m.
May akong position din. I see my position here. I have 3 Nutellas.
I will look what she looks like here.
Yeah, I'm sitting pretty here and he came here to tell me what should he eat. And I said, did you not say I should not cook all the time? And now he's complaining because he's hungry. Hindi kasi ako nagluto today, guys. So, ang kinain lang namin leftover from adobo.
And you eat it all, huh? It's nothing there anymore.
Yeah, because you don't like leftover normally. So, I eat it all before it go bad.
Yeah, that's right.
Mm.
It's good.
Yeah, so you eat something, goke, cucumber. Cucumber salad, so you get healthy.
Right. But
So-
not full.
So, hi to my snake plant. Did Ella water that today? I don't know.
Yeah, she did.
Okay. So, I'm so happy now with my plants. Punan pa natin yan, guys. So, kain si Frank. It's already 1 a.m. here. And I asked him, I want that one.
You asked?
I want that one, but with spinach.
I made that. You're gonna brush your teeth, right? But then I'm gonna see this between your teeth later.
You know what? I don't want to eat now. How did it manghatag ng buin?
Okay.
Wait.
It's yummy, huh? Guten Appetit.
Danke.
What were you showing?
Francis.
They don't see Francis, they only see the bed, actually. Everybody's sleeping, eh?
Yeah.
Except us.
1 a.m. na dito. Hindi ko pa switch on yung light. Kasi I switch off ang light kasi natatakot ako, guys.
The new old light.
Yeah, I didn't switch off. Wala na akong bra kaya tago-tago ta. Should I tell them my story?
Yeah, tell them. Which story?
My horror story.
Oh, yeah, the dream that you had last night.
Not last night.
And night before.
Ha? Hindi ko siniswitch off pa ang light, guys, hanggang hindi matapos si Frank dun sa office niya kasi natatakot ako, guys, kasi may one night at 3 a.m. nagising ako para akong giurumba ng sleep paralysis. Nagdamgo ako na naginip ako na si Francis, mayroong babaeng nakaano sa kanya, guys. Takot na takot talaga ako. Noon, guys, before, sa kabilang kwarto pa ang kwarto namin. puntis ako ni Francine noon, may nakita ako doon na shadow lang siya guys pa. Yun naman yun, hindi mo naman talaga yun makita, bitaw na makita na. Nakikita mo talaga, 1 AM talaga tayo nag-storytelling dito eh. So already 1 AM. Tapos may nakita ako doon guys na lalaki naman yun, it's a boy there, what I've seen na. It's a boy then, shadow lang siya ba? Parang shadow, anino lang yung nakita ko ba kasi switch off yung light at saka si Frank nagna-night shift pa before nung sa ibang trabaho pa siya sa ibang company pa siya nagtatrabaho. Tapos umuwi siya morning na, so mag-isa ako, tapos puntis ako ni Francine guys, tapos may nakita ako dun sa pero hindi ko naman yun iniisip na may nakita. I think maybe it's just illusion, or you know, it's about because of pregnancy, postpartum. Siguro dahil sa pregnancy ko, tapos yun, then tagal ko nang hindi natatakot dito sa bahay. Then last night nga, 3 AM, it's been a while na that I'm not having that scary experience. Tapos, yun nga guys, mga around 3 AM, may nandito si Frank sa tabi ko. Sabi ko, natawag ko talaga yung pangalan niya. Natakot talaga ako sa damgo ko. And si Frank naman, nagising din siya kasi then pag-check ko sa oras, 3 AM siya guys. Grabe, natakot talaga ako na parang totoo talaga yung panaginip ko ba. It's like real. Kaya ngayon, si Frank nasa office pa niya. Hindi ako nagsi-switch off ng light until he come. Or otherwise, I'll be, you know guys, mag-iisip na naman ako ng masama ba. So since this room is a bit bigger, every corner I'm afraid. Chine-check ko lagi is Francis kasi it's like real talaga. When I talk about it, I will have tumataas yung balahibo ko. Nga? So do you
I believe you.
Hindi naniniwala si Frank sa mga ganyan kasi, oy. Hindi siya naniniwala sa mga ganyan, pero kita mga Pilipino, may anak natatakot ba? So, natatakot ako, may horror dito sa bahay. It's a bit horror here. At least now, there are kids. Before, I'm alone here. When Frank needs to go night shift work. At least now, I'm not anymore alone. But still, I'm afraid when there's one night na we were watching TV there and me and Frank have a small fight. Very small lang, like in a house.
Very small. Forced her to stay in the living room.
Yeah, then I told him I don't wanna go in our bedroom. I stay here. So guys, switch off ng light. Then may small light kami doon. Napansin nyo yung parang hindi nyo nakita yan. Parang DIY ko na blinking. May Christmas LED light sa loob, Christmas lights, tapos may candle na. Basta LED lamp, DIY lamp ko siya, DIY light. Tapos yun lang ang nag-on. Tapos yung TV naka-switch off na, naghiga na ako sa couch. Sus, skelet mo nag-switch on bitaw ng TV guys. The TV when switch on, yun, maano mo kasi yung pag may mag-switch on kasi mag-blink-blink yung si Frank pinagtatawanan ako. Pailaway tumasakit. Si Frank pinagtatawanan ako. Hindi siya naniniwala sa akin. Uy. Tapos nag-blink-blink bitaw ng TV guys yung sa pag mag-switch on ka ba. Blink-blink sus karag-karag yung kung dagan rin sa bedroom mo din. Imbis hindi ako matulog dito sa bedroom namin. Ano lang ko, Frank, give me space.
Please. Come on, let's make up, Frank. I don't want to be alone.
Okay.
You know, I didn't tell you that, but I can do that now in public. I have a remote.
Yeah. I don't think so. The remote is, I kept the remote. I put that away before I sleep. The remote. Natingala kung switch yun. May iba talagang kababalaghan dan sa Pikas room, guys. At saka, kasi mga bahay dito, mga maluluma na biya. Mga ano na dito. This house was built year
1970 something.
Oh, see, tiyaw mo na.
It's not old.
It's not old, but still old. Not that old, but it's still old. Kasi ang biya dito. Tapos dun sa Pikas kwarto, may pine tree doon na, di ba? May 2 puno doon na malaki. Yun. Sus, katakot talaga ako balas. Kaya simula nung night na around 3 a.m. nag-sleep paralysis. Parang nag-sleep paralysis ako. Hindi na ako natutulog nung wala si Frank. Kaya minsan inaantay ko siya, hindi ko siniswitch off ang light. So ayun lang guys, mga horror story natin ba? Ibahin naman natin yung horror story that Frank doesn't believe.
It's good job you don't tell that in the world. It's on YouTube. People will think we are crazy, eh?
No, it's just experience from mine, yeah. I don't say that you see too. You didn't see them anyway. I don't see them.
I want to see it. That's why I don't see it.
It's already 1 a.m. now. Hindi ko siya nakita, but when I was pregnant with Francine, it's only a shadow ba then? It's only a blink, a quick ba. You don't see that really that it stays there and showing you. It's only quick when you turn or something. And since it's always dark, of course, you cannot see it. And here, that last night, when I was dreaming, bad nightmare, it's like real, Jude. It's like real. And it feels like I'm awake. It feels like, Then I was really, really scared. Kay, sainan ka, gigakos niya si Francis. Oh, who will not be scared on that? Simula nun, hindi na, nag-ano na ako. Siguro, ewan ko kung naniniwala kayo, but I just tell my experience ba dito sa bahay. Buti na lang ngayon may mga kids na. Hirap pag ikaw lang mag-isa dito, mura mabuang siguro kita kag di mo nato. You finished already?
I'm almost finished. That's the last. I wanted to give it to you before you keep talking. There's nothing left.
Okay na guys, so that's all lang guys.
There's nothing left anymore. the little after midnight snack. You see how big the bowl is.
Yeah. Kaya tumataba. Kaya that's why your tummy is so big. Because you're not sharing the food.
Eating alone makes you fat. You tell that to somebody who's eating alone and doesn't share his food that you would like to have as well.
I don't want anymore.
You don't want anymore?
Yeah, since
you won't get any more anyway.
Since I've tasted the other one with the one with mushroom and chicken, I prefer that one.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's all, guys. Are you finished there or not yet? I think Frank will be forced to sleep now. To sleep early because I won't switch off this light unless he comes.
I'd switch it for you off when you sleep.
No, I won't fall asleep yet.
No, that's okay then.
Yeah. I'll wait for you. That's it now.
I'm actually not really finished.
It's okay.
I could finish now, but I don't want to finish because I just eat and I will get really fat if I go to sleep directly. Like, there's such a full stomach. I'm really full now.
It's okay. I have a Coke there. You bring the one here, 1 bottle.
I do that.
1 milk.
Why do I have to actually do that? Can I not stay there on the computer?
No. Why you stay there until morning?
No. Instead of doing the bottles, I thought
the bottles are done, but you have to bring here 1 bottle. One milk.
So how many months
powder.
do I do this?
Till Francis will be.
You still need to tell me.
Yeah, I still need to tell you, remind you, and the hot water, okay? So that's.
Is there new hot water made? Did you make?
No, you have to make new. I'm supposed to make you ginger tea, but since I'm already tired of getting up and I'm already on a sleeping mode now. I don't want to get out in bed. So
sadly I have to miss out.
So that's all for tonight, guys.
You see, that's a real reality show. There's nothing cut here.
Yeah, that's why it's ooh.
I'm gonna puke in a second. It's all live.
Hold your corner. Can you end the video for a change?
What?
Can you end the vlog for a change? Since this is already 14 minutes, I think I will cut this. I will not include this to any video.
Yeah, just leave it as a dialogue like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then, ciao for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Make it serious. Is this serious?
No, that's okay.
Yeah. Bye.
It's not my channel. I can do that.
You gotta support me. I'm telling you. You're gonna die.